Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide apps on Vivo V50 Lite 5G. If you're using Vivo V50 Lite 5G and now you want to hide your apps, so let's see how can do this. You just have to open your phone settings and here just scroll down and look for password and security, select it. Then look for privacy and app encryption, select it, and here you have to verify yourself. Then select app hiding. And here you have to look for the app if you want to hide. As I'm going to hide this one, so just tap on it. You have to enable the app hiding feature for this app. And here you will get the caster, which is view hidden app. You just have to read it, which is swipe up with two fingers on the home screen to view hidden apps. So go back, swipe up with two fingers on your home screen. This is your home screen, and swipe up with two fingers. You'll get this app interface. Verify yourself, and you'll get your hidden apps here. See, that's how you can easily hide your apps on Vivo V50 Lite 5G. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.